Do you like sports? Do you like TV? Well, everyone likes TV. Check it out.
Three, two, one, roll it. Open mic, cue.
Welcome to Inverness Club in Toledo, Ohio. We welcome you inside the UT Rec Center pool. It may be a chilly Saturday in Northwest Ohio, but the race to the MAC softball tournament is heating up. And the Toledo Rockets continue to pile it on.
Sunshine, blue skies, and 75 degrees as we welcome you aboard. Brent Balbinot alongside Scoop Miller. Got him swinging, strike three.
Welcome pitchside, everybody. Mason Lowry with you alongside Francis Stevens. It's great to have you with us.
Welcome aboard, everybody. Brent Balbinot alongside Matty Klein.
Lefty Thompson, their pin, another block!
We welcome you courtside, everybody. Mason Lowry, Brett Boyd, Danny Rogers on the sideline. Great to have you with us.
Roll it. Second block of the game. Second block of the game, number
3, 2, 1, fade to black, finalize.
You're still here? Why are you still here? Go register.